I think. Okay, so I think we understand what to do here. If y1 is y, y2 is y prime, etc., then y1 prime is going to be y prime, right? And y1 is going to be y, and y3 is going to be, well, it's y double prime, right? So the first equation becomes this. Second equation, well, we just do the same thing. y2 is y prime, so y2 prime is y double prime, okay? And y3 is just y double prime, and y2 is y prime. Okay, so we just substitute in the most straightforward way. Okay? Now, what we do with this is, well, here we have an expression for y prime, right? Well, we can substitute this expression in for y prime here. Okay? Except there's one thing I want to do to this equation. I got a y double prime on both sides. Okay? So I'm going to rewrite this equation as negative 2y double prime equals negative 2y prime. Okay? And then I'll just kind of cross this one out. Now, just coincidentally, and I didn't do that on purpose, but it can happen, this tells me that y double prime is the same as y prime, right? Okay? But what I'm going to do doesn't depend on whether that's so or not. It's going to simplify things a little bit, and if it does, it does. The procedure is simply, okay, y prime is equal to this, right? So we get replacing y prime by y minus y double prime, here we have it. Okay, now my second prime kind of got swallowed up by my attempt at a parenthesis on the edge of the board. Okay? Maybe that's a little clearer, but you see what we're doing, right? And of course now we got a negative y double prime there. That's going to give us a plus 2y double prime, right? And then we subtract that from both sides. We end up with negative 4y double prime equals negative 2y. So that y double prime is 1/2 y. Okay? Now it turns out that that's not going to appear here, so we can't really simplify this last one, okay? Except to say that y triple prime is going to be y plus t times y prime. That's going to be t times y minus y double prime, right? And now we can use this expression for y double prime to express this, right? So go ahead and do that. Do that last step.